Here in the Malagos chocolate. Ayan, cacao bell.
Yeah. Oh, this is cocoa.
Ayan, cacao bell. Ayan, this is the best. Ayan, cacao. Here in Malagos. Malagos Garden Resort. Hanag siya bunga guys. Hanag siya bunga. Nagili siya bunga. Tinood din. Ay, kalak. Terus mo. Yes, dindot ko siya diri guys.
Wars 15 years ago. And since Red is from Brazil, we cannot release him back to Philippine forest. Now you might be wondering, may mga parrots po ba na endemic sa Pilipinas o dito lang sa Pilipinas makikita? The answer to that is yes. Two of which I would especially like to mention are the Gaya Beros and the Philippine Hanging Parrot. Both of that you can see here in Malagos Garden Resort in the wild. That is why early mornings, we encourage our guests to try the bird watching activity. An activity where you just get to roam around the resort with your binoculars and observe birds in the wild. This is a gentle reminder from Malagos that we share our home to so many beautiful wildlives. Now going back to PE time, anong gagawin ni Red? May nakita ang prutas si Red at Chinood ni Red sa basket. Palakpakan naman for Teacher Red and everyone. Na kung kanina, Teacher Waki taught us that it is important to save a part of what we earn, Teacher Red over here wants to share that it's equally very important to save some of our resources, like food and water. Because after all, it's not always every day that we get to enjoy the luxuries that we have right now. Now for the next part of the class, I need everyone to be a bit serious now. Today we're going to talk about climate change. Diba, heat waves are crazy in the summer, sobrang init po pag summer, our glaciers are melting, and recently natatamaan na po tayo ng maraming bagyo, which disrupts a lot of livelihoods and homes. Now we in Malagos believe that collectively, we can do so much. And the first step we need to do to help save Mother Nature is to learn how to properly segregate our waste. So Red will be teaching us. Nakitang plastics, Red, and everybody according to Red, plastics are non.
And now let's call on Jack, a changeable hawk leader. our horse, our raptor, and over here is Kuya Roy. He's wearing a leather glove or gauntlet, which is very important because our bird's talons or feet are very sharp and long. It protects Kuya Roy's arm and it is worn on his left hand. And if you noticed, our bird there is wearing